Good morning, friends. We're going to start with morning meeting. And we always start with the date. So today is, let's think. Yesterday was Monday. So today is Tuesday. And if we say that in a sentence, we say, today is Tuesday. Touch Tuesday. Good job. All right, next we're going to look at the month. This month was Mother's Day. So which month has a mom and a baby? May. Touch May. So let's say that in a sentence. The month is May. Good job. The date. So we know it's May, and it's May 12th. So we'll say the date is May 12th, 2020. Weather. If you haven't seen outside yet, go look out a window or a door and go see what the weather looks like. Right now, it's sunny out. When you watch, it may be cloudy or it may be partly sunny, but we're going to say sunny for now because that's what it looks like this morning. So let's say that in a sentence. The weather is sunny. Touch sunny. Good job. All right, the temperature. The temperature is, Miss Ainsley's looking it up. Right now it's 43 degrees, but it's supposed to get up to the high 50s. So we can say it's going to be cool. It's going to be a cool day. If you go outside, you might need a light jacket. So we'll say that in a sentence. The temperature is cool. Touch cool. Good job, friends. Thank you for doing morning meeting with me. Work on the rest of your work today. We have language arts, math, and science today, okay? And then our related arts, our special areas are life skills. We only go to life skills on Tuesday. So if you can, work on all of those things and then work on your IEP goals. I'll talk to you later. Bye.